Guys, welcome to Adada channel. Today I'm going to unboxing my birthday present. For your information, my birthday on February 11. So I'm going to unboxing today. So the blue one is from Mama and Abba, and the yellow one is from my sister, and the mini purple box is from my brother. Got the school awards from school. It's not from my birthday, and I got second place in my class, and all of 1 year is 8. And let's open it up. I'm gonna unboxing the small one first. So let's start with the small one. Wow, it's Hot Wheels from my brother. Thanks for my brother. I have from Hot Wheels, Ducati Scramble Hot Wheel Edition and Ford GT. So Abang, I love you. So I'm going to unboxing my sister present. I don't know, it's so mystery. Let's unbox. Wow, it's the crazy train. It's like this one. Thanks to my sister, I need to build the train from the box of toys here. I seen these toys before. I see at Kiddie Palace. Thank you, Kakak. This is the blue one from my Mama and Abba. So I gonna unbox the blue one. First we got Hot Wheels, and then we have this Lego City box. So I love this so much. Thank you, Mama and Abba. Thank you so much. I love this toy. If we got present some more, I will tell you guys. So just wait for more videos. Bye.